Everybody, my name is Arianna and today we're going to be opening this cool arcade game. Let's open it. Wow, it's so amazing. Oh, look at this cute little sippy bottle. And look at this cute bag. Wow, they're two cute little shoes and they have white and black stripes. Neck pillow. Wow, look at a cute little cap. This doll is so cute. She can move her head, her hand, her legs, and she can dance. Let's put on her cute little shoes. Let's look at the cool arcade game. It comes with a little coin here. Let's try it. Oh, it's not working. I think we have to insert the coin. Now let's try it now. Wow, it's so cool. Let's see what's inside here. It's a cute little cowboy baby. Wow, look, you can buckle up seatbelts. Let's put the baby in. Now the baby's all safe to go. Let's make a cute LOL doll go inside too. Buckle the seatbelt. Buckling seatbelts is a cute, cool feature to this game. Now let's make them fly to the moon. Whee! This is so cool, guys. Yay, I'm having so much fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this video. Bye.